I'm Sarah Savage with Watts Ranch in Oklahoma, and we bought a set of Rawhide corrals a couple years ago, and we have absolutely loved them. They've been incredible. I can drive to location, set them up by myself, and catch cattle in there, and even have them sorted before everybody else gets there. And they're wonderful. I've really adored them. They're very sturdy and have had no issues with them at all. We bought the processor is what we have, and so they've been wonderful. As smooth as it could possibly be. He took us out, showed us exactly what we needed to know, all the important aspects as far as like how to unfold it and how to fold it back up. And I videoed the whole thing so I could pull it up on my phone if the first couple of times you have to kind of remember what steps to take. And I just had it on my phone. He also gave me like a little card. And it's super simple, very straightforward, and I've gotten along really well with them.